Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, students. Shall we start our class with dua? All of you repeat after me. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in my knowledge. Shall we do warm-up exercise? All of you stand up.
When I say jump, you jump up and down. When I say jump, you jump up and down. When I say jump, you jump up and down. When I say jump, you jump up and down. When I say walk, you walk round and round. When I say walk, you walk round and round. When I say walk, you walk round and round. When I say walk, you walk round and round. When I say dance, you dance left and right. When I say dance, you dance left and right. When I say dance, you dance left and right. When I say dance, you dance left and right. When I say run, you run on the spot. When I say run, you run on the spot. When I say run, you run on the spot. When I say run, you run on the spot.
Students, shall we see our virtual class rules? Sit straight, look at the screen, listen carefully, follow the instructions, complete your homework and send it to your class teacher. Now let's read today's date. What date is today? Today the date is 5. All of you repeat. Today is 5. Which month we are in, students? We are in second month. What is the name of the second month? February. Name of the second month is February. Shall we read the spelling? F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. Name of the second month is February. Which year we are in? We are in the year 2021. What day is today? Today is Friday. I repeat, today is Friday. Let's read the spelling for the word Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Today is Friday. Students, what time is this? It's a language time. In language time, we are going to do the revision for the letters E and F. First, we'll read the name and sound of the letter. Then, we'll do the writing practice. All of you repeat after me. Name of the letter is E. Sound of the letter is A. Name of the letter is E. Sound of the letter is A. A as in egg. Name of the letter is E. Sound of the letter is A. A as in egg. Okay. Now shall we see how to write capital letter E and small letter e? Let's practice how to write capital letter E and small letter e in 4 rule. Standing line. You have to start from the red line. It should touch all the 3 lines. 1 red line and 2 blue lines. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line and sleeping line. 1 sleeping line on red line and 2 sleeping lines on 2 blue lines. Like this you have to write capital letter E. Now shall we practice small letter E? Curve and curve. This is small letter E. Small letter E should be written in between 2 blue lines. Shall we practice once again? Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line and sleeping line. This is capital letter E. Capital letter E should touch all the 3 lines. How to write small letter E? Curve and curve. This is small letter E. Small letter E should be written in between 2 blue lines. Like this you have to write. Okay. Now let's see letter F. All of you look at that letter, students. Name of the letter is F. Repeat after me. Name of the letter is F. Sound of the letter is F. Name of the letter is F. Sound of the letter is F. Name of the letter is F. Sound of the letter is F. F as in fan. Okay. Let's practice capital letter F and small letter f in 4 rule line. Standing line, sleeping line and sleeping line. This is capital letter F. Capital letter F should touch all the 3 lines. Standing line, we should start from red line to blue line, and one sleeping line on red line and next sleeping line on blue line. This is capital letter F. How to write small letter F? Curve, standing line and sleeping line. This is small f, small letter F. Small letter F also should touch all the 3 lines. We have to start from red line and sleeping line should be on the blue line. Shall we practice once again? Standing line, sleeping line and sleeping line. This is capital letter F. Curve, standing line and sleeping line. This is small letter F. Like this you have to write in 4 line. Okay? Students, shall we see our today's homework? Our oral homework is practice the rhymes, record your voice and send it to your class teacher. Our writing homework is complete page number 40 in your term 3 workbook and letter E and F in your 4 rule notebook. Take pic and send it to your class teacher. Students, all of you take your term 3 workbook. Take page number 40. Write today's date. Yes to draw and write. Question number 1. Read the word, draw it in the box. All of you look at the word, students. What word is that? What is the first letter, students? Name of the letter is E, sound of the letter is A. What is the second letter? Second letter is, name of the letter is G, sound of the letter is G. So, A, G, egg. Again one more G. What word is that? Egg. A, G, egg. Okay. Now, we are going to draw the egg in the box. Shall we draw? After drawing, we have to look at the word and we have to write in the given space. Shall we write? Question number 2 is, look from above, write the word. We are going to write the same word egg in the 4 line. Okay, shall we write? How? Like this you have to write. Shall we write once more? E-G-G, egg. While writing, you have to say the spelling and write. Okay. Shall we move on to question number 3? Question number 3 is, circle the picture that begins with the same letter sound as the word above. Okay. What word is this, student? This is egg. Egg begins with the letter sound A. All of you tell me. A, egg. A, egg. A, egg. Same way, we have to circle the picture which begins with the same sound A. Okay. Now look at the picture, students. How many pictures are there? Totally 2 pictures are there. What is the first picture? Elephant. Elephant begins with the letter sound A. A, elephant. A, elephant. A, elephant. What is the next picture, students? It's a butterfly. Butterfly begins with the letter sound B. B, butterfly. B, butterfly. B, butterfly. Now we are going to circle the picture that begins with the same sound as in egg. Egg begins with the letter sound A. Elephant begins with the letter sound A. A, elephant. So, which picture we have to circle, students? We have to circle elephant. All of you circle. Take your crayon and circle elephant. A, elephant. A, elephant. A, elephant. That's it. We have completed our workbook homework. Now, all of you take your 4 rule notebook. Write today's date. Write capital letter E and small letter E in 4 line. Then turn the page. Write capital letter F and small letter F in whole page. Take pic and send it to your class teacher.